Happy Labor Day. The day is here. This car is complete. It's not been detailed yet, but it's done. It's together. It's done. New paint. New hand painted coat straps. New thickly padded top. And painted strap follows the whole car up the hood. Still got to clean the wheels and the tires, but they're new. Oh, a lot to get in there. Don't have room. New chrome front and back. Pin strap. Beautiful in the sun. Still nasty from being put together. Everything works. Just got to charge my air conditioner next week, and next time you see this car, it will be at a car show with my two others for the first time. And that will wrap it up. Happy Labor Day.